Where are we?
Entrance to the Petrum dungeon. Inside it lives dangerous beings.
This is gonna be exciting. Let's go! What's this?
Well, tap on it and see for yourself. So, what feature of Mr. Python will you use here?
I have to store the gems, name with their count.
And it must be so that you could get a gems count using its name.
I know. I'll use a dictionary. In it, names will be the keys.
And their count will be the values.
That way, we can use names which are the keys.
To find the count whenever we need.
Perfect! So let's make an empty dictionary. Inside this, we'll store names and counts later.
Hey, want to see a new way of creating an empty dictionary?
Why not?
The word dict with brackets does the job.
Dict helps create an empty dictionary. Got it!
Good!